1,400 on Meta ads and we had 13 leads. We spent 800 on Google ads and had 6 leads. And now we've won, it was 4 jobs at $156,000. So, hi, I'm Amanda from Tilecraft Co. We specialize in bathroom, kitchen, and laundry renovations. So, we're a husband and wife team. I do all that admin sort of side, and my husband does all the rest.
What was the problem that you had originally that made you want to reach out?
Leads were drying up. A lot of the leads that were coming through were referrals from previous customers and clients. So that was just drying up, and we'd moved areas. So it's sort of like starting fresh. So yeah, just wanting to sort of get our name out there again, build up, and yeah, not waste any money on other programs really.
What hesitations, if you had any, did you have before buying and what got you over the line in the end?
We were just like, is this a scam? Is this real? Can it be true?
Fair question.
Yeah, so we were just like, oh, and then I was like we can just boost ads and see how we go. And now knowing that that's not really great and a waste
Yeah.
of money. Um, so then, yeah, we were just skeptical, but we're like,
Mm.
the worst that could happen, it's just money. So let's just give it a go and see how we go. And we're so grateful that we did.
Yeah, it is quite hurts my heart a little bit when people come through and they'll be like, "Oh, could you just have a little look at what my old agency was running for me and just like let me know if I should just tweak this or if I should start from scratch?" And all it will be is just like them boosting organic
Uh,
posts and charging them like 5 grand a month for it. And I'm like,
well,
I'm
and
not.
that's what we were like, it's too expensive to go there. And we're like, we don't have the funds to have someone else do it. And I have my own business as well. So
Mm,
I'm just and I obviously work for my husband. So I sort of like, I can do it. I just need to
mm,
learn how to do it. Like I can click buttons.
yeah.
Like, I just need to be taught that. So I needed to do some sort of course to know
Mm.
exactly what I'm doing.
Obviously, joined in early Feb, came to the workshop in March. Is that right?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Actually, I have probably a question before the actual question. How long after the workshop did you get your ads live?
I got them live on day 2. So as I left, I got them live on day 2. Yeah.
Fantastic. Great. The actual question is, what results have you got? What were the numbers that have come through? What's changed?
Yep. So yeah, I'm running the ads now. So what's changed is we're getting quality leads. So we don't have a volume of leads, but the quality is definitely there. Um,
Mm,
Out of, or how many was it at the time? I think it was 11 or so. I did have it, I think, on the post. Let me just double check. So we had spent 1,400 on Meta ads and we had 13 leads. We spent 800 on Google ads and had 6 leads. And now we've won, it was 4 jobs at $156,000.
that is so good.
So, yeah, it's quite a big number. And obviously we are a ticketed item, like a higher ticketed item.
Mm,
We also pride ourselves on the quality of work we do. So we're not a cheap
mm,
service.
yes.
So yeah, like we have less leads, but they're quality and yeah, some are converting. So it's great.
What effect has that had on you personally or professionally so far?
Sleeping a little bit easier at night. Uh, Knowing that it's working, obviously, then we haven't spent money and it's not working. Um,
Mm,
but yeah, just getting the leads, getting our name out there. We've been able to relax a little bit and not stress.
mm. Now, out of everything in the workshop, the program, the support, that kind of stuff, what's been the most useful, the thing that you've been like, oh yeah, I found this like the most valuable, I learned this the best, whatever it might be.
I guess just the no bullshit approach has been valuable. Basically, yeah, telling us how to do it, what to do, why we do it. So the
Mm,
knowledge behind it, and being taught it has been really
mm.
good. So yeah, the support's been amazing. I do need to jump on a few more calls, but life's a little bit hectic. But yeah, I think just everyone's knowledge and willingness to help and there's no silly questions, I guess. So